Welcome to this special edition of Neurology News Network. I'm Marco Meglio. First up, post-hoc data from two open-label, multi-center clinical trials showed that individuals with obstructive sleep apnea aged at least 70 years old had low adherence to CPAP with limited treatment effects observed. Investigators concluded that the findings do not support the use of CPAP in this age population. At follow-up, investigators recorded a significant improvement in snoring and witnessed apneas with treatment of CPAP, but no significant changes occurred in symptoms such as choking nocturnia or nightmares. Additionally, these patients demonstrated Epworth Sleepiness Scale values of 9.1, a decrease of 1.2 points after adjusting for baseline values compared to the control group. No significant correlation was observed between the change in ESS values and the number of hours on CPAP use. Quality of life, measured by the Quebec Sleep Questionnaire, indicated no statistical or clinical improvements for those on CPAP compared with the control group while adjusting for their corresponding baseline values. Moreover, no evidence of a significant correlation emerged for the changes between groups in the different domains of the QSQ and the number of hours of CPAP use. Next up, a supplemental new drug application for risdiplam has been granted priority review by the FDA for the treatment of pre-symptomatic babies under 2 months of age with spinal muscular atrophy. The treatment is currently used to treat SMA in adults and children 2 months of age or older, and if approved, the sNDA will make risdiplam the first medicine administered at home for pre-symptomatic babies with SMA. The submission incorporates interim data from the Rainbow Fish study, which suggests that following 12 months of treatment with risdiplam, a majority of pre-symptomatic babies met key milestones of healthy babies, including sitting, standing, and walking, in addition to maintaining the ability to swallow. The Rainbow Fish study included five babies, all of whom maintained the ability to swallow and feed exclusively orally after 12 months of treatment. Additionally, after 12 months, 4 out of the 5 babies receiving risdiplam were able to stand and walk independently in accordance with the established windows for health children from the World Health Organization. Lastly, the FDA has accepted the investigational new drug application from Green Valley Pharmaceuticals and has allowed the company to go ahead with its phase 2 trial assessing sodium oligomanate, or otherwise known as GV971, an agent approved in China for Alzheimer's disease in a cohort of patients with early-stage Parkinson's. This multi-center trial will include approximately 300 patients with early-stage Parkinson's disease who will be randomized to either sodium oligomanate or placebo for a 36-week period. Following that, patients may enter into a non-randomized 36-week open-label extension for further testing. No information was provided as to when the study would begin. Although the pathogenesis of Parkinson's disease is not entirely known, research has pointed to its associations with alpha-synuclein aggregation, neuroinflammation, oxidative stress, and mitochondrial dysfunction. It is currently the second most common neurodegenerative disease behind Alzheimer's disease, which has also had research that has shown a link between gut inflammation and disease progression. For more direct access to expert insight, head to neurologylive.com. This has been Neurology News Network. Thanks for watching.